Unlocking Literacy, a deep dive into scientifically based reading research. Are you ready to transform your reading instruction and empower your students to become confident, capable readers? Let's explore the power of scientifically based reading research, SBRR, and how it can revolutionize your classroom. SBRR is a rigorous, systematic approach to understanding how children learn to read. It relies on empirical evidence gathered through well-designed studies to identify effective reading instruction practices. Think of it as the gold standard for reading instruction, ensuring we're using methods that are proven to work. SBRR emphasizes objectivity, control, and replication. This means studies are carefully designed to minimize bias, isolate specific variables, and ensure findings can be consistently reproduced. This scientific rigor helps us separate effective strategies from those that are simply popular or based on anecdotal evidence. SBRR has identified 5 essential components of reading instruction, often referred to as the 5 pillars. These pillars provide a comprehensive framework for developing proficient readers. Mastering these areas is crucial for building a strong foundation in literacy. Phonemic awareness is the ability to hear and manipulate individual sounds, phonemes, in spoken words. This includes skills like blending, segmenting, and deleting sounds. Strong phonemic awareness is a powerful predictor of reading success. Phonics involves understanding the relationship between letters and sounds, graphemes and phonemes. It teaches students how to decode words by sounding them out. Explicit and systematic phonics instruction is essential for early reading development. Fluency is the ability to read accurately, quickly, and with expression. Fluent readers can focus on comprehension rather than struggling with decoding. Repeated reading and other fluency-building activities can significantly improve reading speed and accuracy. Vocabulary refers to the knowledge of words and their meanings. A rich vocabulary is essential for understanding what is read. Explicit vocabulary instruction along with wide reading helps students expand their word knowledge. Reading comprehension is the ability to understand and make meaning from text. It involves a range of skills, including identifying the main idea, making inferences, and drawing conclusions. Comprehension strategies should be taught explicitly and practiced regularly. Translating SBRR into practical classroom strategies is key to improving student outcomes. Start by assessing your current reading instruction practices. Are you incorporating all 5 pillars of reading? Use evidence-based programs and materials that align with SBRR principles. Look for programs that have been rigorously evaluated and shown to be effective. Remember, not all reading programs are created equal. Provide explicit and systematic instruction in each of the 5 pillars. This means teaching skills directly, providing ample opportunities for practice, and offering individualized support. Differentiated instruction is crucial for meeting the diverse needs of your students. Monitor student progress regularly and adjust instruction accordingly. Use formative assessments to identify areas where students are struggling and provide targeted interventions. Data-driven decision-making is essential for ensuring all students are making progress. By embracing SBRR, you can empower your students to become confident, capable readers. SBRR leads to improved reading comprehension, increased reading fluency, and a lifelong love of reading. It's an investment in their future success. SBRR also helps to close achievement gaps and ensure that all students have access to high-quality reading instruction. By using evidence-based practices, we can create a more equitable and effective learning environment for all. Let's work together to unlock the potential of every reader. Now that you understand the power of SBRR, it's time to take action. Explore the resources mentioned in the description below, including links to research articles and evidence-based reading programs. Share this video with your colleagues and start a conversation about how you can implement SBRR in your school. Subscribe to our channel for more insights and strategies on effective reading instruction. Together, we can make a difference in the lives of our students.